President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev and First Lady Mehriban Aliyeva also visited Zangilan district on 26 May. The President and the First Lady familiarized themselves with the progress of construction at Zangilan International Airport. President Ilham Aliyev and First Lady Mehriban Aliyeva were informed about the work being done at the airport. Earthworks had been completed on the apron and asphalt concrete work was currently underway on the runway. The runway will be 3,000 meters long and 60 meters wide. The airport will be capable of accommodating all types of aircraft, including heavy cargo aircraft.